If your phone is broke, we can fix it. G2 PC Repair. We offer affordable rates for home and business and a free computer analysis. Disaster recovery, backup systems, and virus and spyware removal are offered. We do on-site services, network services, and service contracts as well. We also do lockout of all makes and models, and we service broken screens. G2 PC Repair. Call for your free computer analysis